Well, here we are at the Rod Lever's Avoca Beach House, full garage makeover. There's this beautiful Ducati racing bike, lovely. Got a nice epoxy floor. Got an enclosure, wraparound panels everywhere. Propeller plate skirting. Got his nice basketball hoop sitting up top with the propeller plate backsplash. Good corner unit. Keeps the tidy wall panels for storage. This is a full wraparound. We've started over in this corner here. Little area for his pinball. An enclosure. Could you open that door? Nice enclosure just to hide all his surfboards and stuff like that. We're just trying to keep everything out of the main entry of the garage. Again, Star Trek pinball machine, classic. Nice 4 meter by 3 meter wraparound workbench. Heaps of drawers. Deep upper storage cupboards, lower wall cabinets. Again, the basketball hoop, just to shoot a few hoops. I think it's just a great idea, fun for the kids. More on the bike, some more tall storage cupboards with some lower, shallower cupboards below. We've wrapped these propeller plates all the way around, even cutting into the stairs, just to give it a nice finished look. Tidy wall panels all around. Another enclosure, just for more bulk storage. Heaps of tidy wall panels inside, everything behind closed doors, which is always a good thing. We even have a little portable, I'm going to call it a boogie board cart or a wetsuit cart, so when you come back from the beach, which is just across the street, you throw all your wet gear in here and it just drains through. And when you're done with it, just slide it up underneath the stairs, and it can just drain off there. No mess, everything dries nicely. Also built in is 2 fridges with some cabinetry. Again, keeping the propeller plate and the tidy wall theme together all the way around. Finishes it off over in this section. Up above these, you can hardly see it, but we've built a platform deck. There's the bottom of it. So it's just some more out of the way, up high storage. All in all, this is a great job. It's a couple weeks to install. There's a lot of work in here, a lot of tedious work. I'm going to try to convince Rod to paint these above the cabinets and the skirtings below the cabinets black, so everything kind of goes away except for the work we've just done. But all in all, a great job, a great client. We're happy. He's going to love it. We already love it. And it's just another one we plugged in by the garage organizers. We hope you like it. See you again soon.